Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a masonry layout in Framer. This layout style is perfect for creating visually dynamic galleries where images or content blocks arrange themselves in a grid with varying heights, giving your website a modern Pinterest-style aesthetic. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but I'm assuming you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all your existing projects displayed. Click on the project or website where you want to add the masonry layout. This opens up your design workspace, giving you full access to edit and customize your site. Make sure you've selected the right project before moving forward. Now, at the top of your screen, locate and click on the option labeled Layout. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Masonry. This action allows you to select the Masonry Layout tool. Once selected, drag it inside your project canvas to create the masonry container. This is the foundation for your gallery, so place it wherever you want the layout to appear on your page. After dragging the masonry element onto your canvas, shift your attention to the right side panel. Here, you'll find options to adjust the position and size of your masonry container. These settings ensure that the layout fits perfectly within your design and aligns with your overall page structure. Let's start by adjusting the width. Click on the width setting and change it to relative. Then, set the value to 100%. This ensures that your masonry layout spans the full width of its parent container, making it responsive and adaptable to different screen sizes. It's an essential step for maintaining a clean, professional look across all devices. Next, scroll down in the right side panel to the Layout section. Make sure that the masonry option is toggled to Yes. This confirms that the layout will behave as a masonry grid, automatically arranging your content in that signature staggered style. Without this setting enabled, your layout won't function as intended. You can also fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the columns, gap, and padding settings if needed. The columns control how many vertical sections your layout has, the gap determines the spacing between each item, and the padding adds breathing room around the edges. Play around with these values until you achieve the visual balance you're looking for. Now that your masonry container is set up, it's time to add images to it. On the left side panel, click on Frame. This creates a new frame inside your masonry layout. Once the frame is added, shift your focus back to the right side panel. Under Styles, click on Fill, then select Image from the options. Finally, click on Choose Image to open your file browser. Choose an image from your computer and upload it. The image will now fill the frame you created. This is where the masonry magic happens. Each frame can hold a different image, and the layout will automatically adjust their positions to create that beautiful staggered effect. Here's the important part, repeat this process for each frame until all frames have images. Click Frame on the left, add Fill under Styles on the right, select Image and upload another image. Keep going until your masonry layout is fully populated. This might take a bit of time, so be patient and take your time doing it to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it, you've successfully created a masonry layout in Framer. This dynamic design element adds visual interest and professionalism to your website, making your content stand out in a unique and engaging way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.